Thanks, Joel. Down in Bowling Green, the Falcons welcome the Jaguars of South Alabama to town, and they're ready to go. BG starts off with a bang, an early blocked punt for a safety, 2-0 on the first possession of the game. Later in the first, South Alabama quarterback Jake Bentley throws a pass right into the hands of Bowling Green linebacker Darian Anders, who has a reservation for 6. Jaguars tack on 2 field goals for an 8-6 lead at the half. Second half, after a BG field goal, USA punches one in, a 2-point conversion fails, and it's 12-11 Jags. BG, though, would answer right back on the next possession. Matt McDonald to Andrew Bench. Falcons convert on a 2-point attempt of their own, and it's now 19-12. After USA ties it up late, BG with the ball, pass caught but fumbled, and the Jags, they hop on it. And then the final play of the game, South Alabama kicker drills a 44-yarder to win it, 22-19, as the Falcons lose a tough one.
We're better on defense. We're better throwing the ball. We can't run it right now, and it's a shame because we've got good running backs. Fact of the matter is you got to be able to run the ball. And if we ran the ball effectively today, even with the major miscues of errors, you win the football game. We got to find a way as coaches to get it done. And plain and simple.